Understanding the Nutrient Cycle, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an exciting topic in environmental science, the nutrient cycle. It's a term you might hear in biology or ecology. Let's break it down and understand what it means, step by step. The nutrient cycle is a natural process that recycles nutrients in various forms from the environment to living organisms and back to the environment. It's essential for life on Earth. This cycle includes elements like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus, which are vital for all living organisms. In this section, we'll discuss the key elements of the nutrient cycle. 1. Carbon cycle. It involves the movement of carbon between the atmosphere, oceans, living organisms, and the Earth. 2. Nitrogen cycle. This cycle describes how nitrogen moves through the environment and living organisms. 3. Phosphorus cycle. It explains the movement of phosphorus through the lithosphere, Earth's crust, hydrosphere, water bodies, and biosphere, living things. Understanding the nutrient cycle is crucial because it helps us appreciate how nature sustains life. It also emphasizes the importance of preserving natural habitats and ecosystems. Here, we will explore how human activities like agriculture, deforestation, and pollution are impacting the nutrient cycles. This section highlights the need for sustainable practices to protect these vital cycles. And that's a wrap on our journey through the nutrient cycle. Remember, these cycles are fundamental for life on Earth, and understanding them can help us make more environmentally friendly choices. Hope you found this video helpful and interesting. Stay curious and keep learning.